Today I will present talking about the temperature conversion code. So now let's start. So our code will begin with the header file with the include frame, and we also using the namespace are using std and main thing. And now let's move to the board. Returning value type function. So in this function, we need to have 3 elements here. The first one is double, the second one is the name, and the last one is the argument. So our double is used the data type we use double Celsius to Fahrenheit because we're gonna convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then our argument we use the double as the data type, and then the name human is Celsius, and we return the answer. So our formula, our answer is with the formula. Our formula is the Celsius of 1.8 times multiplied by Celsius and plus 32. So the second one is also the same. We use double as the data type. Name. Celsius one is double as the data type, and the Celsius 2 because we're gonna import the Celsius. And the answer, the returning value type, the returning, we're gonna use Celsius plus 273.15 is the formula of Celsius to Kelvin. So the third one is also the same, and here the formula we use Fahrenheit minus 32 bracket and divide by 1.8, and the fourth one is also the same, but the formula is a little bit different. No, it's different. It's gonna we're gonna take Kelvin, import the Kelvin, and minus 273.15 to get the Celsius value. And the fourth one and the fifth one and the sixth one is the different because when you use the reference or something. And here we use the same as the previous one. We use returning value type. So we use double as the data type. Name is we're gonna convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin, and the argument is double Fahrenheit. So this statement, we create one statement to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius because we got because we want this Fahrenheit to Celsius to make it easy to convert from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Because we have already Celsius to Kelvin, so we just use the reference. No, we just use one statement to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then we return our answer is Celsius to Kelvin. So we're gonna get Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So the sixth one is also the same. We use double Kelvin to Fahrenheit, and the argument is double Kelvin, and then we create one statement that that convert from Kelvin to Celsius, and then we return the answer gonna be Celsius to Fahrenheit is the same as this one because this one is similar to this one. And now let's move to the main function. So the main function we use integer as the choice because we choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we use double as the input of Celsius temperature, Fahrenheit temperature, and Kelvin temperature. So first one, we're gonna get display the choice or the menu for the temperature conversion. Like the first one is Celsius to Fahrenheit, second one is Celsius to Kelvin, third one is Fahrenheit to Celsius, fourth one is Fahrenheit to Kelvin, the fifth one is Kelvin to Celsius, and the sixth one is Kelvin to Fahrenheit. And we're gonna display, let the user to put the choice, like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we fill in, then we gonna use fill in to get user input as a choice. So now let's move to the switch case. So the switch case, we got the choice as the name, or we can call the human or something. And we got 6 cases in the switch case because we got the 6 different menu conversion type, temperature conversion type. So from 1 to 6 is the case, and the day and the last one is day 4. And I will explain you after case, the day 4 after case. So the first one, let's move to the first one, case 1. Case 1. In the case 1, we have Cout inter. We have the display that let the user tell the user to input the temperature in Celsius, and then we gonna use Celsius temperature to get the user input. And then we also create the one statement that Fahrenheit temperature equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. So do you remember Celsius and Fahrenheit we have in this statement? No, in this statement, we convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We get the formula already. So now we use that function to get in this case 1. So as Fahrenheit temperature equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, and then we display the answer. Temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to something. And then we display the Fahrenheit temperature. And then we, and line is called that we used to make it new line, something like that. And then if it's true, it's gonna be break, and the program will be stopped. And for the second case, it's also the same, but the difference is only that we convert the Celsius to Kelvin only. And the third one is the same, fourth one is also the same. Fifth one is also the same. And the sixth one is also the same. And as you remember, I will tell you that what is the forming. The forming is like when we put in the different input, like for example, we have only 6 cases. So if you put number 7, it's gonna be the 4. So it means wrong. So it will display that invalid choice, and then exiting the program. It means that when you put like that, the wrong value, you will get the statement from the program, and then we exit the program, and then we use return 1 and 0. So that's all. Now we're gonna test code for you. So again, wait, I'm going to return. So we don't use returning 1, so we run code. run the code. Sorry for wrong. So this space. So now here they let us to import the from 1 to 6. So I will choose 1. So I will this time I will enter the temperature in Celsius. So I want to enter 10 Celsius. So the conversion from temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit is 10 Celsius equal to 15 Fahrenheit. So it is the first thing, and now I will show you again. Run the code. Just wait. So now we will choose number 5. We convert from Kelvin to Celsius. So Kelvin is gonna be start from 223.15 temperature. So like put 200, no, 274.15. So you will know that this temperature is gonna get 1 Celsius. Kelvin is 1 Celsius. So we enter. So they convert that temperature in Celsius is equal to 1. It means that Kelvin, the temperature of Kelvin 274.15 is equal to 1 Celsius. So it is correct. And then now we'll test it another program. This time I'm gonna put the wrong letter. If I put number 7, what's gonna be happen? If I put number 7. See, as you can see that, and they're gonna exit the program. Like you can see that in this default, we will let the program display the statement that to the user see the program. The program is already exit. So now it's all for my presenting about the code. So thank you.